Hello everyone, my name is John Santi. I've been a crypto and blockchain news aggregator for over 3 years. I'm the owner of several publications including Crypto Financial World, Today's AI, and Midnight Alpha. Midnight Alpha is a community-based organization bringing the latest news on ZK technology and Midnight's selective privacy-based blockchain protocol. I'm here to discuss the exciting and transformative potential of Web3 technologies, particularly blockchain and zero-knowledge proofs in the future of India's pharmacy industry. With growing demand for transparency, security, and affordability in healthcare, these technologies are uniquely positioned to address key challenges related to the supply chain, competitive pricing, and patient privacy. The current landscape. India is one of the largest producers of generic medicines globally, and the pharmacy industry plays a crucial role in both domestic and international healthcare. However, like in other sectors, the industry faces significant challenges, especially in areas like supply chain management, counterfeit drugs, and fluctuating medical prices. According to a study by the World Health Organization, nearly 10% of all medicines in low and middle income countries, including India, are counterfeit, potentially harming patients, where Web3 technologies can provide solutions. At the core of Web3 is decentralization, enabling greater transparency, control, and efficiency across various sectors, including healthcare. Now let's dive into how blockchain and ZKProofs will revolutionize India's pharmaceutical sector. Blockchain's role in pharmacy supply chain. The pharmaceutical supply chain is a complex network involving manufacturers, distributors, pharmacies, and regulatory bodies. Ensuring that medicines are safe, genuine, and reach the right customers is paramount. Blockchain technology has the potential to create a tamper-proof, decentralized ledger of transactions that can track drugs from point of origin to the end consumer. By leveraging the Midnight blockchain's selective privacy functionality, on the public side, each step, whether it's a manufacturer producing a batch of medicine or a pharmacy dispensing a drug, can be recorded, can be time-stamped, and verified by anyone within the network. At the same time, private information such as vendor names and addresses, as well as component suppliers, customers, and patients' private information can all be safely and securely protected and stored. This information, while private, can remain verifiable through something called ZKProofs, or ZKPs, a way to verify something is true or false without revealing information about that thing. For instance, are you over 18? A ZK proof can return an answer that will tell you that you are over 18 without revealing your actual age. This robust and dynamic framework can drastically reduce instances of counterfeit drugs entering the market, which, as I mentioned earlier, is a significant problem. The system also boasts blockchain's immutable nature, ensuring that no unauthorized party can alter the information, thereby enhancing trust within the system and its participants. Take a company called MediLedger, for instance, a blockchain-based project that has already demonstrated how blockchain can help track pharmaceutical products and enforce compliance with Drug Supply Chain Security Act, the DSCSA, regulations in the US. A similar initiative tailored for India could bring some immense value. With Midnight, however, we also add the incredible modularity and security of a fully decentralized, robust, selective privacy schema. Addressing pricing and with blockchain. Research suggests that another major issue in India's pharmacy industry is the inconsistent pricing of medicines throughout various regions. With blockchain, pricing mechanisms can be more transparent, which would help patients avoid inflated prices. Blockchain could ensure that once a manufacturer sets a price, it remains constant throughout the supply chain unless legally adjusted. This would provide both consumers and regulatory bodies with verifiable data regarding the pricing of drugs at each stage. Smart contracts on the blockchain technology can automate pricing enforcement. These contracts could be designed to trigger competitive bidding systems where the pharmacies can ensure that they're sourcing the most affordable medications, reducing the overall cost to consumers. Zero-knowledge proofs and patient privacy. Now moving to zero-knowledge proofs, ZK-proofs, something I'm very excited about. A subset of cryptography that allows one party to prove to another that a statement is true without revealing any underlying information. For instance, you can prove that you live in a particular province without divulging your actual address. Or you can verify that you are over 18, as we said before, without giving your actual age. In healthcare, this is crucial for ensuring privacy while still allowing entities to verify essential information. It is also an essential part of data gathering, which can be voluntarily offered without risk to divulging private information for patients, suppliers, and the pharmaceutical industry itself. So let's have a for instance. ZK proofs can be applied to patient data management in the pharmacy sector. In India, privacy laws like the Personal Data Protection Bill aim to secure patient information. However, with ZK proofs, pharmacies and healthcare providers can verify a patient's eligibility for certain medications, prescriptions, or insurance plans without accessing their private medical history. And this can also assist in preventing negative medical interactions automatically. Furthermore, ZK proofs can also provide the authenticity of a medical product in the supply chain. While the blockchain can track the medicine, ZK proofs ensure that sensitive manufacturing details like proprietary drug formulas remain confidential while still allowing verification of the product's origin. Real-world applications and examples. Let's take a look at real-world use case. Recently, India has started experimenting with blockchain technology in other areas like land registry, and the pharmaceutical industry is starting to follow suit. A notable example is the use of blockchain in combating counterfeit drugs in collaboration with NITI Aayog, India's policy think tank. Forgive me if I'm saying the name wrong. NITI is a blockchain-based pharmaceutical company solution that tracks drugs from the manufacturer to the patient, allowing every stakeholder to verify the legitimacy of the drugs at each step. With the Indian government's push towards more digital India and its adoption of blockchain in various sectors signals a promising future for its pharmacy industry as well. This effort is not just limited to enhancing efficiency, but also to ensuring that healthcare becomes more accessible and more affordable for the average Indian citizen. Future possibilities. As Web3 continues to evolve, expect even more innovative applications in the pharmacy sector. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, could allow pharmacists, patients, and drug manufacturers to collectively vote on pharmaceutical policies or price-setting mechanisms, putting more power in the hands of the people. This could democratize the process and make the industry more suited for consumer needs. In the future, decentralized blockchain-based health networks will allow pharmacists to manage patient prescriptions more efficiently, track drug use, and even create more personalized medicine by analyzing encrypted health records, all without compromising patient confidentiality. Web3's integration with artificial intelligence could further help identify drug trends, forecast shortages, and optimize supply chain management. To conclude, the future of India's pharmacy industry can be transformed with adoption of Web3 technologies like blockchain and zero-knowledge proofs. These innovations will bring unprecedented transparency to the supply chain, stabilize drug pricing, and protect patient privacy. By leveraging these technologies, India can address existing challenges while setting a new global standard in healthcare innovation. I believe that this technological shift will bring us closer to a future where healthcare is not only more efficient and affordable, but also fundamentally more secure and trustworthy. Now let's talk about Midnight, a privacy-focused blockchain and DIDZs, or digital identifiers. A decentralized identity solution that can directly address the challenges faced by India's pharmacy industry. Supply chain transparency with Midnight. Midnight's blockchain is designed with privacy in mind, ensuring secure and transparent tracking without exposing sensitive information. Using Midnight, each stage of the pharmaceutical supply chain, from the manufacturing of drugs to their distribution, can be immutably recorded. Pharmacies, regulators, and consumers can verify the authenticity of medicines without needing to trust centralized intermediaries. This would significantly reduce the problem of counterfeit drugs by allowing stakeholders to trace the entire life cycle of a medicine. By leveraging Midnight's privacy-enhancing features, sensitive business information such as drug formulas or pricing agreements can be protected while still ensuring the integrity of the data. Protecting patient privacy with digital identifiers can be used to give patients control over their personal data. Using DIDs, or digital identifiers, a patient's identity can be verified without revealing private medical information. This is where zero-knowledge proofs, or ZKPs, come into play, allowing pharmacies and healthcare providers to confirm eligibility for certain medications, prescriptions, or healthcare plans without accessing sensitive health records. For example, a patient could prove they have insurance coverage for a specific medication using digital identifiers and ZKProofs without revealing any additional personal details. This ensures compliance regionally with privacy laws like India's Personal Data Protection Bill, while maintaining efficiency and security of the transaction. Enabling competitive pricing. Midnight's decentralized architecture can help with competitive pricing by enabling transparent and auditable smart contracts. These smart contracts, or verifiers, can enforce pricing consistency across the supply chain and ensure that no inflated prices reach the end consumer. By using blockchain-backed pricing mechanisms, pharmacies can participate in decentralized bidding for medicine, which could further drive down prices. Through the combined power of Midnight and digital identifiers, the pharmacy industry in India can become more transparent, affordable, and secure, while still protecting the privacy of patients and maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical data. Thank you.